Hello friends, I am Dev and welcome to Blogging Vitals YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to add a SSL certificate to your website without spending a single buck, and we will do it with SSL for free website. Now SSL certificate, what is that? SSL certificate makes your website HTTPS secure, which is essential to keep your site safe to visit. Now as you can see this lock icon in this website SSL for free itself. Here you can see that it's written like connection is secure. That's because this website is HTTPS secure and SSL certificate is already added to it. Now I will teach you how to add this SSL certificate to your blog or your website without spending any extra bucks from your pocket. We will do it for complete free with this website only, this SSL for free. Also keep in mind that SSL certificate makes your site more trustworthy, more authoritative, and also it's essential for site SEO. When your visitors come and visit your website and see that this lock icon is not present in your website, then it might discourage them to visit your website. Now here is this website. I created this website for testing purpose, fedgalpoint.com, as you can see, and this not secure icon, there is no lock icon present, and it's saying like your connection to this site is not secure. So we are going to make this site HTTPS secure in this video, and we will do it SSL for free. So now let's get started. The first step you need to do is you need to visit the SSL for free website, sslforfree.com, and here you can see this box where you need to enter your domain name. So I am entering my domain name fitgalpoint.com, and after you enter the domain name, hit on the create free SSL certificate button, and then it will ask you to register a new account. So give your email address and password, and you will find a new screen like this where it's written like SSL certificate setup, and they are showing all the steps to do that. First step is already done, where you can see the fitgalpoint.com and www.fitgalpoint.com is showing, and there is a option to get a wildcard certificate. I need a wildcard certificate written here, and which is a pro option, as you can see. So to avail this option you will need to pay. So keep it as it is, and don't select this option, and hit the next step button. And after that you will come to this validity part, where you can see there are basically two options, 90-day certificate and 1 year certificate. This means that after 90 days you will have to renew this certificate again, but this renewal won't cost you any money. You will have to just put a little manual effort, that's all. Now this 1 year certificate case, you will have to renew this SSL certificate after 1 year, but this option, as you can see, a pro option. So we will stick to the 90-day certificate plan and hit next step, and then this CSR and contact option, also this auto generate CSR option is already selected, and keep it as it is and hit next step. And then there is this finalize your order. The free plan is already chosen, and there are other plans like basic plan, premium plan, and business plan. Don't need to bother about those plans. We are doing the free plan, so just hit the next step. Now this next screen is opened, and you can see your certificate has been created and ready for domain verification. So the next step you need to do is verify your domain. So as you can see, there are basically three methods to do that: email verification method, DNS or CNAME method, and HTTP file upload method. We are going to do the DNS or CNAME method. This is saying the first step is sign in your DNS provider, and then find the DNS record options and add the CNAME record. They have already provided a CNAME record with name, point to, and detail fields. You will have to copy paste these values to your DNS server or DNS record. Now, so we are going to open the DNS record. So now find the add CNAME option from your domain provider or DNS provider dashboard. Now I am in my cPanel, so I'm going downwards, and as you can see, here is the option CNAME records. Now in the right side there is an option like add. Now here you need to put the record name, and here you need to put the destination, and domain name is signalpoint.com. So go to Zero SSL website or the SSL for free website, and copy this name and paste it in the record name box. And then the destination is basically the point to option. Copy it and then paste it, and then hit add. So the CNAME record is added here. You can delete it if you want later, but now our job is done. So we need to verify our domain from SSL for free website. So hit next step and click on verify domain. It might take a bit time. As you can see, it's showing like try after 5 to 10 minutes. So wait for some time and then try again. Now as you can see, the verification is complete. Now we need to just download the certificate and add it to your website. So here is the option. You can see that download certificate.zip. If you click this button, a new file will be downloaded, a zip file will be downloaded, and that is the certificate. So click on download certificate to download the SSL certificate. I have already downloaded it, so I will copy and paste from there. So I will click on the next step, and next step is basically again a summarizing and then the check installation. So basically what you need to do after you download the certificate, open the zip file. After you extract the zip file, you will find three files in it. One is CA bundle, one is a certificate, and the other is private. So first open the private key and copy everything in here, and then find the SSL option in the control panel. Here you can see under the security option SSL TLS you will find, and there you can see this configure SSL button, and I have already added the private key I have downloaded. Basically you have to copy paste them here and then hit on upload key and copy paste the certificate here and hit on upload certificate. The CSR is not mandatory in case of the Infinity free server. If you use Hostinger or some other hosting provider, There you will also find the SSL or TLS option in the cPanel. So this is Hostinger dashboard, and under the advanced option you can see the SSL TLS option, and there you can see different boxes for certificate, private key and CA bundle. We just need to copy paste them here and hit on the install button. So after you complete the uploading part and installing part, you can check if your SSL is active or not from the SSL checker sslsupport.com. Copy paste your URL, hit this check SSL button, and then there you can see that physicalpoint.com has a certificate that will expire in 90 days that I have already mentioned before. So the certificate is active, but if you go to my site, the physicalpoint.com, as you can see, there is not the secure icon but or the lock icon, and it's also saying the connection is not secure. Now just put HTTPS before the domain, and now you can see the secure icon is here and it's saying connection is secure. So the SSL certificate is active and it's reflecting in your website, and you have successfully made your website SSL secure without spending any bucks. So friends, that's how you can make your website HTTPS secure without spending any money. So that's it for today. I have mentioned all the links in the description. You can easily find them there, and visit bloggingvitals.com where I teach how to build and run a blog. And if you think this video is useful for you, please hit the like button and share with your friends.